physical or chemical quality of water that conforms to the appearance, taste, and odor, or drinking water that satisfy the consumer. Answer: acceptability. Bacteria that live or occur only in the presence of oxygen. Answer: aerobic bacteria. A tract of land cultivated for the purpose of agriculture production, including but not limited to crop production, raising and breeding of domestic animals, raising, breeding, or production of specific aquatic animal, and similar activities. Answer: agricultural land. Topic: Philippine National Standard for Drinking Water. Question and answer. A descriptive term for the process such as fermentation that can proceed only the absence of oxygen, or the living things that can survive only in the absence of oxygen. Answer: anaerobic. Any of various chiefly aquatic, eukaryotic, photosynthetic organisms ranging in the size from the single-celled forms to the giant kelp. Answer: algae. The accumulation of substances in life forms or biological system to uptake from the environment or the food chain. Answer: bioaccumulation. A microbial bacteria fungal algae community enveloped by the extracellular biopolymer which this microbial cell produce that adheres to the interface of the liquid and a surface. Answer: biofilm. Pesticide whose use in the country has been prohibited by the official order by the government. Answer: banned pesticides. The process of adding the element chlorine to the water disinfection to make it fit for human consumption as drinking water. Answer: chlorination. A secondary or incidental product deriving from manufacturing process or chemical reaction that is not the primary product or service being produced. Answer: byproduct. Refers to any rod shape, non-spore forming from negative bacteria capable of growth in the presence of bile cell or other surface active agent with similar growth inhibiting properties, which are cytochrome oxidase, negative and able to ferment lactose at either 35 or 37 degrees Celsius with the production of acid, gas, and aldehyde within 24 to 48 hours. Answer: coliform organism or the total coliforms is a water treatment process that promotes aggregation of small particles into a larger particles that can be subsequently removed by sedimentation or filtration. Answer: coagulation. A valve and spout used to regulate delivery of water supply located at end of the water distribution system, usually within the vicinity of the houses or buildings. Answer: consumer tap. A series of individual grab samples taken at different times from the same sampling point and mixed together. Answer: composite sample. A general term referring to the introduction of materials not normally found in the water that make the water less desirable or unfit for its intended use. Answer: contamination. Any of several poisonous substances produced by certain cyanobacteria. Answer: cyanotoxin. The length of time water supply is held in direct contact within a treating agent. In example, chlorine solution. Answer: contact time. A substance used to enhance the cleaning or cleansing action of water, which acts similarly to soap but it's made from chemical compound rather than fats and lye. Answer: detergent. Water treatment process designed to destroy disease-causing microorganisms. The efficacy of disinfection is often assessed by measuring the coliform group of indicator organisms. Answer: disinfection refers to the reduction of the body of the formerly living organism into the simpler form of matter. Answer: decomposition. Water intended for direct human consumption or use in food preparation, where high-quality waters are scarce. The quality of water used for other domestic purposes need not be as high as that of drinking water. Answer: drinking water. An outflowing of water from natural body of water or from sewage treatment facility. Answer: effluent. Any of the class of chemical reaction in which solute and solvent molecules combine with relatively weak covalent bonds. Answer: dissolution. Negative test result when the attribute for which the subject is being tested actually exists in that subject. Answer: false negative. A positive finding of the test when in fact the true result was negative. Answer: false positive. Bacteria that can adapt themselves to growth and metabolism under aerobic or anaerobic conditions. Many organisms of interest in wastewater stabilization are among this group. Answer: facultative bacteria. Microorganisms that when detected present in the water supply signal fecal pollution of water. Answer: fecal indicator organisms. Any machine, piping or tubing part that can attach or connect two or more larger parts in the plumbing system. Answer: fitting. Subgroup or coliform bacteria that has high positive correlation with fecal contamination associated with all warm-blooded animals. This organism can ferment lactose at 44.5 degrees Celsius and produce gas in multiple tube procedures or acidity with membrane filter procedure. Answer: fecal coliforms. Water with less than 0.5 parts per thousand dissolved salt, which may be found in lakes, rivers, and groundwater. Answer: fresh water. Refers to the collective bacteria and other microorganisms in ecosystem, usually an animal host or the single part of its body. Answer: flora. Iron or steel pipe that is coated with rust-resistant zinc. Answer: galvanized pipe. Bacteria that decolorize and accept the safranin stain, which appear pink using the Gram stain technique. Answer: gram-negative bacteria. A single water sample collected at one time from a single point? Answer. Grab sample.